Animals in English.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep. This is a sheep. A sheep has thick wool. It lives on farms and eats grass.
Cow. Cow.
Cow. This is a cow. A cow gives milk. It is a large and gentle farm animal.
Goat. Goat.
Goat. This is a goat. A goat can climb hills easily. It eats plants and produces milk.
Horse. Horse.
Horse. This is a horse. A horse is strong and fast. People ride horses for work and sport.
Pig. Pig.
Pig. This is a pig. A pig has a round body and a short tail. It likes to eat a lot and live in groups.
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey. This is a donkey. A donkey is strong and patient. It helps carry heavy loads.
Rock. Rock.
Duck. This is a duck. A duck has webbed feet and swims well. It lives near water.
Dog. Dog.
Dog. This is a dog. A dog is friendly and loyal. It helps people in many ways.
Hen. Hen.
Hen. This is a hen. A hen lays eggs. It lives in a chicken coop.
Cat. Cat.
Cat. This is a cat. A cat is soft and playful. It likes to hunt small animals.
Rooster. Rooster.
Rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster crows loudly in the morning. It protects the hens.
Turkey. Turkey.
Turkey. This is a turkey. A turkey has a large body and a red wattle. It makes a gobbling sound.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit has long ears and soft fur. It hops quickly and eats vegetables.
Goose. Goose.
Goose. This is a goose. A goose has a long neck and strong wings. It lives near water and makes loud sounds.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Buffalo. This is a buffalo. A buffalo is large and powerful. It helps farmers plow fields.
Lamb. Lamb.
Lamb. This is a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. It has soft wool and stays close to its mother.
Donkey foal. Donkey foal.
Donkey foal. This is a donkey foal. A donkey foal is a baby donkey. It is small, cute, and gentle.
Gosling. Gosling.
Gosling. This is a Gosling. A gosling is a baby goose. It follows its mother everywhere.
Llama. Llama.
Llama. This is a llama. A llama has long legs and a long neck. It carries loads and lives in mountains.
Goat kid. Goat kid.
Goat kid. This is a goat kid. A goat kid is a baby goat. It jumps and plays a lot.
Pony. Pony.
Pony. This is a pony. A pony is a small horse. It is friendly and good for children to ride.
Ox. Ox.
Ox. This is an ox. An ox is a strong farm animal. It pulls heavy carts and plows.
Duckling. Duckling.
Duckling. This is a duckling. A duckling is a baby duck. It swims soon after hatching.
Chick. Chick.
Chick. This is a chick. A chick is a baby chicken. It is small, yellow, and fluffy.
Horse foal. Horse foal.
Horse foal. This is a horse foal. A foal is a baby horse. It stands and walks soon after birth.
Piglet. Piglet.
Piglet. This is a piglet. A piglet is a baby pig. It is small, pink, and playful.
Rabbit kitten. Rabbit kitten.
Rabbit kitten. This is a rabbit kitten. A rabbit kitten is a baby rabbit. It is tiny and has closed eyes at birth.
Mule. Mule.
Mule. This is a mule. A mule is a mix between a horse and a donkey. It is strong and good for carrying loads.
Farm goose. Farm goose.
Farm goose. This is a farm goose. A farm goose guards the yard and makes loud sounds. It lives near ponds or fields.
Puppy. Puppy.
Puppy. This is a puppy. A puppy is a baby dog. It is playful, curious, and full of energy.